Hi. Today we are going to be seeing the coursometer in action. I've designed this little hack of an RC car to describe this. You can see the coursometer or the roughness sensor here at the bottom. What we'll be doing is we'll be using this coursometer on a track to measure the range of values which we find. You can see the Arduino Diminilab here, which is connected to a RF transmitter, and it's powered by the car itself. So we're gonna put the car down and we're gonna look at the track. As you can see, the tracking there are three parts. First, the really shiny, really smooth surface, slippery surface which the car would potentially slip on. Then we have the medium surface. The medium surface is one which would reciprocate as a kind of surface which is a normal kind of surface, and we have a rough surface. The rough surface is the kind which a car will rarely slip on and is the most safest to be on. Okay, so we have as I said, the RF transmitter transmitting to another Arduino here. Here's the Arduino Uno, and we have that connected to an RF receiver, and the whole thing is connected via serial RS323 communication to my computer. My computer will show a graph. The graph is going to be what we will see. The graph will show exactly how the exact values for each surface. So let's get started. I'll start by turning on the RC car. Now I'm going to start by running the program. So we'll just wait for that to load. Yeah. Okay. So we have the car started and the program running. Now we're going to start by moving the car. Okay, so now we have the car on the smoothest and the most slippery surface. As you can see, the graph is going to be at what we would consider medium range or a little higher range, but comparatively we'll see that it's one of the lowest ranges out of the three courses. So we start with the lowest range, which is the smoothest surface, and now we're going to move on to the medium surface. Okay, so now we're on a medium surface, and as you can see, the graph has jumped up. It's quite a big jump which will be able to be measured on a car easily, and you would easily be able to use that in any system, any electronic system you'd want. So okay, we're going to move to the last surface now. Okay, so now we're in the last surface. This is the roughest surface. As you can see, there's another jump which is nearly equal to the first jump. This surface is the roughest surface, and as you can see, because of the rough surface, the diffuse light is the greatest, and therefore we have the least intensity on the sensor, and we can see that the value is thus the highest. So these are the three different surfaces which you run it on, and you can see conclusive evidence that the surfaces that this variation in the coarsity of the surfaces has reciprocated in a variation in a sensor, and you can term this result a success, this experiment a success. Thank you.